Guys, look. I found it. Wait, there's a staircase. Is this abandoned?
No, you should buy a ticket.
Okay.
Okay, just wait. I'll buy a ticket for you.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Papa?
What the hell is this room? No. What is this? What is this?
This may be a storeroom.
Why is it all green?
Go.
Is it this? Oh, is this the seat?
Yeah, this is the passenger room.
I want to sit it.
Sure.
Hey. Is it flying, guys?
No, it's not flying.
Maybe this is abandoned.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
Let's go in here.
That's
I
a
want to sleep in here.
that's a VIP cabin.
Whoa, there's.
Just
Oh my god.
and this is the captain cockpit room, man.
Oh, is this breaking?
Would you like to drive it?
Yes.
Just sit here.
Oh my gosh, why is it so hard here? Fly!
And now we are the captain.
Fly, bro! Why is it not going up? Maybe this is actually abandoned because this is broken.
Okay.
Oh, I can control this. What is this for?
That's the gearbox.
Oh. What is... Oh. What is this? Whoa. Can I hit the brake? Wait! Fly!
Okay. Hey, boy.
What? I'll destroy the sleep here.
Okay, now go. Let's get
Why is
so
it
hot in.
hot? Come on, I want to sleep again. The activate. Oh no! This AC is broken.
Yeah.
Is there something in here? Is this the bed? Is this the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's washroom.
Whoa.
Okay, go.
Is there something in here? Oh my god. I thought that was something. What? This is so creepy. What a
Go.
What a nice day.
Go down.
Did a helicopter just land? What? Did a helicopter land?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Let's go.
Whoa! That's the old Bangladesh.
Yeah. Go.
Let's go to it. Let's go to the. Oh, I don't.